What's the meaning of byway? Byway. Byway.
Byway. Byway. Byway refers to a small, secondary road or path that is not frequently traveled. It is often used as an alternative route to the main road or highway and may provide a more scenic or less congested option for travelers. Byways can be found in rural or suburban areas and may be used for recreational activities such as biking, hiking, or driving tours. These routes are typically less developed and may offer a closer look at local history, culture, and natural landscapes. The use of byways can help reduce traffic on major roads and promote sustainable tourism.